Thank you for joining us for another podcast, Daniel Bernabe Daily, to inspire, motivate, and encourage people to obey God's word and serve others through their God-given gifts. Our topic for today is:
clear vision may determine your destination, so stay focused. Vision, the faculty or state of being able to see, the ability to think about or plan the future with imagination or wisdom. There is a great example of a bird named an eagle. It sees its prey far away in the air before landing to catch it. Do you have a vision? Many things can come your way this year to distract you from your divine vision. I am here to tell you to stay focused and let God, the owner of heaven and earth, direct your path. Do not lose direction. People come and go in your life for reasons. Always learn from your mistakes to build yourself up with positivity. Be active by trusting in God and working hard to make your divine vision and dreams real. Stay focused on your vision. Keep God's word as your foundation, and even though you may fall, you will rise again. Proverbs 29:18. While there is no vision, the people perish, but he that keepeth the law, happy is he. Maintaining focus on your vision is crucial because it serves as a guiding light in times of uncertainty and helps prioritize your actions. By staying committed to your vision, you can make informed decisions that align with your long-term goals, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life.